In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Notion calendar to a database. If you're looking to visualize your tasks, projects, or events directly within your Notion databases, then creating a calendar view is absolutely essential. It transforms a simple list into an interactive timeline, making it much easier to track deadlines and schedules. So let's dive right in and get your Notion database calendar ready. Step 1. Open your database. First things first, open up your Notion workspace and navigate to the database you want to turn into a calendar. If you don't have one yet, simply create a new page and select Table or Board Database from the template options. Add some initial entries so you have content to display in the calendar. Step 2. Add a date property. Once you're in your database, look at the top row where your property names are. Click the plus sign to add a new property. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Date. This property is crucial because it tells Notion which information to display on your calendar view. You can rename this property to something like due date, event date, or deadline to make it more specific. Pro tip: you can also enable reminders in your date property so that Notion sends notifications for important deadlines. Step 3. Add the calendar view. Now that you have your date property, it's time to add the calendar view. Look at the top left of your database, next to the current view name. It might say Table or Board. Click the drop-down arrow next to it, then select plus Add View. A menu will pop up. Choose Calendar as your new view type. Give this view a clear name like My Calendar, Project Timeline, or Content Schedule. Click Create. As soon as the calendar view loads, Notion will ask you to select the date property. Link it to the date property we just created in step 2. This tells the calendar exactly which dates to display for each entry in your database. Step 4. Add and manage calendar entries. You now have a functional calendar view. To add new events or entries, simply click on any date directly on the calendar grid. A new database item will pop up and the date will automatically be set. You can drag and drop existing items from other views onto the calendar to assign them dates. Each entry is fully editable. You can add tags, checklists, attachments, or comments to stay organized. Extra tip: use filters to show only specific project tasks or team assignments in your calendar view. You can also switch back and forth between table, board, and calendar views to see your data from different perspectives. And that's how easy it is to add a Notion calendar to your database. With this setup, you can effortlessly manage your schedule, visualize progress, and stay on top of deadlines. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Notion tutorials, and leave a comment below with your favorite Notion tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.